Okay, using the select tool, which is a tool that creates a basic or virtual reality tracer around objects, or when you're making different objects by freehand or by shape. So for example, we want to use the rectangle select tool, and what it does, it highlights. You can see the highlights around the edges right here. They're moving dots or moving dash marks, and you can put different things inside those dash marks. Let's say you wanted to add a color inside there. Okay, you're able to do that. Circle or oval, same way. Or you can do it freehand. This is the freehand tool. You just go to one edge and complete the edge, let it highlight, and do the same thing. Now, if you want to actually move these particular tools, you would not be allowed to. You see what happens? There's a reason for that, and that reason is what we're going to be doing next. Is called layers. Okay, so these select tools will help you create different things like this, shapes, ovals, octangle. You can do freehand shape, fill different colors, things of that nature. Okay.